Welcome to this animated video, where we'll explore the key duties of Chief Audit Executive Alex Morgan as they present audit activities to the Audit Committee. I'm Alex Morgan, the Chief Audit Executive of XYZ Company.
Thank you for joining the Audit Committee meeting today. The purpose of the meeting with the Audit Committee is to review the audit plan, discuss significant findings, and ensure the organization's financial practices are transparent and compliant.
Let's review the audit plan against actual results.
Good job, Alex. That was a good summary.
Having completed our audit reviews, we have a few additional queries to discuss with regards to our findings.
To improve the audit process, we also need staff skilled in data analysis, risk management, and internal controls.
Got it. We'll review and allocate the requested resources.
Travel is essential for us to conduct audits at different branch locations and subsidiaries, ensuring we have a comprehensive understanding of the organization's operations.
We understand the importance of travel, Alex, but due to budget constraints, we cannot approve the full travel budget as proposed.
I understand the need to manage expenses. We'll explore options for virtual audits and prioritize local sites.
Our internal auditor has encountered challenges in accessing necessary financial documents from a department under review. Despite repeated attempts and explanations, the management of the department has been reluctant to provide the requested documents, citing various reasons. This presents a significant conflict of interest as it hinders our ability to conduct thorough and effective audits.
The committee acknowledges the situation and agrees to address it with senior management.
By watching this activity, we gained insight into the CAE's responsibilities when interacting with the Audit Committee, including handling challenges with senior management and ensuring transparency and compliance during audits.